Hi, it's Matthew here from Orchard Estates. We're here today with Matt from Merriott Rhinos, the under-7s football club, which we've kindly got involved with to help out, and because there was a bit of a story behind it. Matt, tell us what happened. Your son was in the team and you used to be involved in the team, but it looked like it was in danger, didn't it?
I trained him for about a year, and the guy that was doing it decided he wanted to step down. Okay. So there's one option I had to take over what the team folded.
Well, it's very gracious of you to do so.
I'm in the middle of doing my badges now.
Oh, fantastic. Okay. And tell us a bit about the club. Is it just for people in Merriott, or is it cover a wide area?
We've got one from Ilminster, one from Yeovil, and there's ranges from under 6 up to under 16s.
Oh, fantastic. Okay, so a wide range of teams as well. Okay.
And there's obviously mixed. There's a girl, my daughter plays for under 9s.
There's a mixed team as well as a boys team?
We open up to girls as well, because at the end of the day,
fantastic.
Better get girls involved as well.
So if people are interested in coming on and having a go, it seems a very friendly bunch. They're all having fun here, that's for sure. How do people get in touch with you to get involved?
Obviously, if they can either contact yourself and you can put me in touch, or they can ring me direct. My number's 07967 093 563.
Fantastic. Well, if you fancy coming along to Merriott Recreation Ground and having some fun with the kids playing football, then get in touch. And
in the winter we are moving inside as well.
Fantastic. Right, it's a beautiful evening here today, but look forward to the winter. Yeah. Okay, well, we're proud to sponsor the team and wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.
Great.
Thank you.
Cheers, Matt. Hello, Mike. How are you?
Thanks.
You all right?
Otherwise, you're not in the famous photo. Harry, you won't be in it. Back here, guys. Back here a bit. Come back a bit. Back a bit. Come in. Harry. You can see the picture afterwards. I'll put it on afterwards. So you need to say thank you. Thank you.